Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spectra WordPress. Spectra is a powerful page builder that extends the capabilities of the native WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg. It provides over 35 unique blocks and extensions, allowing you to design beautiful and functional websites with ease. You can drag and drop elements, customize layouts, and achieve a professional look without writing a single line of code. Spectra offers a robust collection of blocks to elevate your website design. The container block is fundamental, allowing you to group other blocks and manage their layout and responsiveness. You'll find advanced options for headings, buttons, and image galleries, providing granular control over every design element. These blocks are designed for intuitive use, making complex layouts achievable in just a few clicks. Customizing your website's appearance is straightforward with Spectra. You can access global styling options to maintain consistent branding, including colors, fonts, and button styles, across your entire site. Each block also offers individual styling controls, allowing for unique adjustments. Spectra's responsive design features ensure your website looks perfect on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, adapting seamlessly to different screen sizes. Spectra is built with performance in mind, ensuring your website loads quickly and efficiently. It integrates seamlessly with the WordPress ecosystem, working well with most themes and essential plugins. To boost your workflow, Spectra provides a library of pre-designed templates and block patterns. These resources allow you to quickly create professional-looking pages, saving you valuable time and effort in your website development journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.